It's the BIG4 Marion. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So good. Wow, let me check out the water slide. Oh. Check that out, Oliver. Whoa, that's so cool.
So, hi time. Where's the Oreos? I was getting chicks.
Wow, mate, there's bowling. No way, there's actually bowling. Bowling in a caravan park. Oh my god, this looks really good, guys. So good. Let's have a little pool. Oops. What do you think about this, guys? Holy goalie. There's always one, isn't there? Holy goalie, this is bloody awesome. Oliver, what do you reckon? You having a good time, Oliver? Yeah. You're supposed to say yeah. Yes, yes.
Oh, good job, buddy.
Hey. Oh. That's so what a
make the bad guys good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain.
That's it.
Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you love the game. 'Cause we're young and we're reckless, we'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless.
Go, mate. Go, Oliver. You got to keep going, guys. Well done, Oliver. So after enjoying a nice day at the beach, because it was about 46 degrees outside, we're not used to these hot temperatures that the South Australia have, we came back and our air conditioner was blowing hot air. Everything was perfect. We got an E5 error. We called Houghton and they let us know that that means that the fan's no longer working. We spoke to the caravan park and we'd heard that the power had been turned off 6 times and there was another 8 or 9 caravans experiencing all the same issues. Wow, we ended up having a really hot night, 32 degree overnight with no aircon, all the windows open and fans on, and the kids got to experience real camping. So now the big challenge is, where do we get our air conditioning fixed? Because we're heading to Rapid Bay. It's full off grid and we're not sure if anyone's going to be able to help us.